All right. Well, I'm having a bad hair day, but other than that, yeah. Oh, focus, focus. There we go. All right. So the issues here are that let me start out by saying I got the headers out. I then proceeded to try to fit the new headers in. Had some fitment issues, which is why they're not actually hooked up yet. I'm trying to figure out some logistics. I think, like, there's my camera on my phone doesn't exactly do zoom out, but so like the header bolts, I think one it goes in there. Um, they're just not with the bolts that were provided by the kit. And the way the headers are, have like this notch right here. That notch. There's one on the bottom, and then you can also see over here. There's another notch that you would assume you put the bolts in, and then you slide. It looks like it's designed to slide over the bolts, or between the bolts and the cylinder heads, or the exhaust ports there. The problem is they don't want to work that way. So I think it's for future reference for anybody else. It is smarter to just leave the studs. These things, the studs themselves in the block without the nuts, and just install them that way. At the very least, so that you have something to bolt the head to without having to hold the head and use bolts, the provided bolts. Which, by the way, oops, there it is. I went to the store and got some. Now, it says that these are 30 millimeters long. And I looked them up side by side, and they're the 30 millimeters are just a bit longer than the bolts that were provided. So hopefully they still work, because it looks like, yeah, they simply fit that way, or I don't know. But anyways, I was told, or on the videos for American Muscle and CJ Pony Parts, they said that these are 8 millimeter reverse Torx, or torque socket, or whatever they're actually called, but reverse Torx. And I bought this kit that's right here that I currently have on one of my wrenches, the smallest one, but these are all standard, but it came with a guide saying that, like, this is the 8 millimeter, but it ended up being the smallest one that fit on the end of those bolts. So I don't know what the hell's going on, but they are not 8mm. Other than that, I have yet another mobile mechanic coming over. He has better reviews. He is just going to charge me $65, and hopefully we both will be able to get these headers in. More on that later.